Made it a piece of junk.
Hey everybody, we're back. Y'all have seen my mowing rigs. I don't know if I spent any time on it, but a few weeks ago I did a mowing video of fixing my cub and stuff. And I didn't spend any time on it, I don't think, but this thing wasn't running real great. And I was out there mowing somewhere right out there. And I realized, I hear something not working right. And come to find out, it was the governor down here. The governor thing here was just going crazy, and the motor was winding up and slowing down and winding up. So anyways, I got off and I played with it and thought I had it leveled out. And it was also blowing a lot of smoke. Wound out pretty hard. You know, the throttle, the governor was winding it up a lot more than it should have been, I think. So anyways, I thought, you know what? This thing smokes a lot. It's on its last leg. Just run it. When it goes, I'll find another motor somewhere. Sure enough, it wasn't a little while later, it just died. I thought, well, it probably seized up. And so I'm mowing along there and this thing dies. So I just pulled up here to where I park them and reached down there and unhooked that one, and I kept going with the other. After I got done, I thought, well, that motor seized up, right? After I got done, I got off to spin the motor by hand. It's right here. Uh-oh. Well, there's a reason it's not moving. I was spinning it, it spun, it had compression. And I let it sit for a few days. And I came out here just to see if I might do something and save that motor. And I found, I knew this had happened, I just didn't realize what it was doing. This is the muffler. See all that daylight through it? Anyways, it was not doing its job. Well, it mounts on there like this. You see that big hole in the bottom? It had burned all these wires and melted them together. And so the ignition had shorted out, and that's why it died. So I got the wires fixed, and I did a little work on it, and I fired this joker up. And that's when the governor did its thing. It was wound up a little higher than I thought. I cut the muffler off to get the wires out of the bracket they're held on by. That thing wound up, and then it made a noise and died, and as it came to a stop, it went pow! See that crack? That was a big oily spot the other night. So anyways, we got a new motor coming. We need to get this motor off. Y'all hang out with me. Yeah, that's a crack there going on around the corner. That joker's still got a touch of compression under it. We're gonna rebuild it.
this may prove to be a little bit more difficult than I anticipated. I may have to turn it upside down and use a pulley puller on it.
But everybody will be happy to know that the baby kitty is fine. Nice and safe. I want Pee-Pee.
And Molly's still under there saying, yeah.
Say hi, Frosty. Say hi to the YouTube world.
She say hi.
All right.
I want Pee-Pee.
Come on, let's go.
I want Pee-Pee Frosty.
Give her to you as soon as you get on solid footing.
Okay.
You gonna go inside with her?
So I just realized why I think this thing stopped coming out. That keyway is held underneath the piece I'm pushing on. And I can tell the keyway is not part of the pulley itself, but it's in there pretty good. There was no set screw in it. So, anyway, I don't want to say I've ruined this pulley, but I do say I'm not going to fight fixing it. I'll run down to the Tractor Supply and buy some stuff and build another pulley probably quicker than I can order it and have it shipped in here. So let's see if I can figure out a way to get it out. Ground a little off. We're gonna see if it'll fit in there. The clearance.